Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a location in Google Maps with easy to follow steps. Instructions in this video will work for both desktop users and mobile users. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. To add a private label, left click the location you want to add. Right click and select the coordinates. In the search bar, press Ctrl V to paste the coordinates, then hit enter. Scroll down, then select add label. You can name this location anything you'd like. Doesn't really matter, you're the only one who can see it. Once you're done, hit enter. Location will now be saved on your Google map. To access it, all you need to do is click the saved icon at the left side of the screen. For mobile devices, tap the location you want to add on screen. This will drop the pin. Then down here, scroll to the right until you see label. Click it, and here we can enter a custom name. To add a location everyone can see, left click the map to select the coordinates. Then click these three horizontal lines here. Then down here, select add a missing place. Fill in the name, category, and address. If you want, you can also add extra information. Once you're done, click submit. Then Google will take a few days to verify the information you provided. Once the verification is complete, everyone will be able to see the changes made. The process is similar for mobile devices. Click the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select add a place. Similar to the desktop, fill in name, category, and location. You can also adjust the location as needed. Once you're done, submit, then Google will take a while to verify your input. If you want to add the address of your business, click this icon at the top left corner. Then down here, select add a business. Follow the prompts on screen to complete the registration. For mobile devices, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, then select add your business. Similar to desktop, follow the prompts on screen to complete the registration. Once your profile is verified, your business will now be visible on Google Maps for all users. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.